Today, monsters, witches, and ghosts are waiting for you. Hold this rope and nothing will happen to you. Today is the Halloween party. The street will be full, smoke and dead men. Naida, do you want to come with me tonight? If you wish.
I'm sleepy. And you, children, wake me up. Coming, you are the plenty. I got you tonight.
Now, let's visit the Castle of Ghosts.
We are the ghosts of Halloween. We live in this castle. No January Trios. Do you want to visit my castle? Good. Come with me.
Thanks, Laura Mariana, can you help me? Have a change, please.
Lisa and Martina, can you see my dress? What's the color of my dress?
You need to celebrate Halloween. Carla Vila, how many gas, how many ghosts, can you see in the castle?
Happy Halloween! Visit the monster.
The school is full of monsters! Monsters everywhere! The spiders up and down! Monsters on my head! Happy Halloween! I'm not scared!
children's blood. Carla Gallardo, what's the color of a vampire's blood?
Red!
No, it's blue! Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Thirsty. Aliona, can you give me your blood, please? No!
No! I fly in the sky. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. I'm a vampire of Halloween. I fly around the night. Scary Halloween. Amazing Halloween. Happy Halloween. Carla Villatriz, I'm a vampire. What's your color on my dress?
It's black!
Yes. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!